How far from Carowinds?
2 hours?
Yep. And what are we gonna ride?
Train?
A train.
It's opening day of Tweetsie Railroad, April 6th, 2024. It's 36 degrees outside, and we're all just wearing sweatshirts, so hopefully we stay warm.
We'll catch you later. Over this way. Well, look what's coming, guys. What are we on? The train? Yeah. Or what car are we in? What number car? No, we're in the first one.
Yeah, up there. What is that? That's the engine?
Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? On the right is the Tweetsie Junction with a handmade sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises. Over your right is Fruit Hill, the final resting place for the Indian Jungle. Lots of towns in the Old West call their cemetery Fruit Hill. Many folks might.
What?
been here before. I think it's called Deja Vu.
Look, yes, we've been out here before. We've been out here about 10 to 12 times a day.
God, Sheriff, there's something different about this time. I can't quite put my finger on it. That! Did you hear that? Yeah. What was that, Sheriff?
I don't know, but we need to go check it out. Sound like people are-
Okay, yeah, you go that way. I'm gonna go this way.
Well, everything now. Where are you going? You know that noise didn't come from that house.
Sheriff, I gotta go.
Go on.
Thank
You're
you.
killing me. You're killing me. All right, well, it seems like my deputy's going to be indisposed. Someone needs y'all's help. We've had reports of mass murder things in the house. So if you see any of them, you let me know, okay? Behind me, are you sure? Okay, I'll take a look. There ain't nobody behind me. These kids with me, ain't you? Yep. Are you sure? Okay, I'm gonna count three and I'm gonna turn around real fast, okay? 1, 2, 3. There ain't a single soul. Y'all are just full of cotton candy. Look, sheriff's got a job to do. I gotta go in here and talk to Lester. No, I ain't trusting you no more. Oh, Lester! How's it dark in here? Hey, you! Ow! Oh! Why did you tell me there was a bandit behind me? Come here, you. Take that! Get out there! You want some more, huh?
Oh, yeah, bring it on.
Get out there! I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
All right, now.
Well. Looks like I caught me my very own sheriff.
What's the big idea? Don't you gonna get somebody hurt?
That is the big idea. I'm here to rob this train.
Oh, yeah?
Not so fast. It appears that I've got the drop bar on you.
Not so fast, it looks like I got the drop on you. Now get to stepping, princess.
I'm Stephen, sir. Who are you two? Where'd you come from?
I'm so glad you asked there, deputy. My name is Texas Pete. Over here to my left is my big brother, Tabasco. And together, we are the Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits. Cha-cha-cha-cha. Ah! You missed your cue. Get in there and rob the saloon. It's like Granny never loved you.
This is glorious. I wonder what's next. Mustard? Or ketchup?
Oh, we got a bunch of clowns here, don't we?
Yeah, you won't. Look, we don't want no trouble with this side.
That's too bad. Trouble is what you got.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, all righty then. All right, turn around and take care of this right quick.
Man, this guy is sure can't.
Okay, all right.
Put him down, deputy. You won't know where he's been. Cut the music. Thank you. Now, as I was saying, you two, get on the train. Go get me that gold box.
We can't get you that gold.
Oh, and why not?
Well, you know, that's that trooper up there at Fort Wayne.
Yeah, you take that gold. I'll find up there. Real upset with the both of you.
no, I'm shaking We're so scared. Wait a minute. We're bad guys. We don't care. Because we're going to be long gone by then. So get on that train. Go get us that gold.
You know, it's my birthday. I'm not gonna take that. I ain't getting no gold from a mask wearing, skunk stinking bandito like yourself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, all righty then. Okay. All right.
Get up there. Woo! Looks like we finally won it, Tabasco.
It looks that way.
Now, what are you going to do with all that gold once we get it, huh?
A long stem grows from this diamond little.
Okay.
Some fudge from the fudge shop and a saddle.
A saddle? You don't know how to ride a horse? Hey, you two lawmen, get back over here. We ain't going anywhere until we see what's inside this box. Tabasco, I'll let you do the honors.
You won't believe it. 2 bags of gold.
Learn how to count, lunkhead. 2 bags of gold? I know the troopers didn't pay the rent for 2 bags of gold. Where's the rest of it? You gonna tell me?
Pause.
You go-
See, little do these two know. We actually sent all that gold right on up to the fort. And we ain't with the trooper up there yet. They ain't never gonna know. And the zoo.
You think you're so stupid to fall for that trick, Deputy? We heard you all along. Looks like we're gonna take a field trip up to Fort Boone then. All then. Gold box back on the train. You got it? All right, come down to the marshal here. What is it? Oh, good. No kidding. We already knew that should have come. Go up there, rubber conductor. Tabasco, start taking care of the passengers.
I'll start taking care of them. Can I get anyone a soda, a piece of pizza, maybe some popcorn, or
Tabasco,
what?
what are you doing?
Taking care of them?
No, we're bad guys. You're supposed to take care of them in a mean way.
Why didn't you say that the first
I
time?
think I had to.
All right, I'll take care of them in a mean way. You're getting a Dr. Pepper. You're getting some popcorn. You're gonna like it.
Hey, John, let's want to you. Tabasco, you're gonna take this here rope. You're gonna tie the phone, all right?
Tooties and Yosemite.
Hey!
What?
What did you just call me?
Yosemite Brook.
You little idiot! We're big time fans now. We go by code names.
Just call me Lunkhead.
Lunkhead ain't your real name. That's just what Randy always called you. Yeah. Now take this rope and tie him up, all right? Bless your heart. Hey, come on over here. I got a special job for you. You're gonna go inside that damn fort and start looking for the gold, all right? All right. Get in there.
Yeah, gonna run all night, gonna run all day. Woo! That's my money on my tail bag. Somebody get on the bag.
Tabasco! Stop making friends with the enemy!
Who said they were my friends? Don't you put that evil on me.
Listen, just pay attention, okay? I just sent Cayenne in there to look for the gold. I don't know if I really trust her, okay?
Why did you send her and not me? I thought I was your number 2.
You know what? I'm not gonna go there. Listen, I'm gonna go that way. You're gonna go that way. Get me to dinner. All right?
Okay.
All right. Lunkhead, get in there! I'm gonna tell Granny on you.
Isn't it good? It sure is, sir. Wind slightly blowing. Yeah, and I smell the mulch.
Yeah, fresh air.
Hey, Marshall!
How you doing? Well, we're a little tied up at the moment. Yeah. Well, you know, the hot sauce bandits.
They come up here and tied us up, now they're inside the park, I'm gonna set them eat.
Yes, ma'am. When this will be the last time I see you?
That sounds like a plan.
Ready, Tim?
Ready, break! Oh, Bobs! 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 Hey, I think I hear it. Bob! Hey, where are they? Over here!
Grover Robbins, an entrepreneur from Blowing Rock, North Carolina, opened Tweetsie Railroad on July 4th, 1957. Tweetsie Railroad opened with number 12 from the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad, which ran between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone, North Carolina. In 1960, Tweetsie acquired coal-fired steam locomotive number 190, the Yukon Queen, from Alaska's White Pass and Yukon route. Built by Baldwin Locomotive Works in 1943 for the U.S. Army. In 1961, Grover and Harry Robbins built another theme park called Rebel Railroad in the Smoky Mountains near Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. This park would then be purchased by Jack and Pete Hirschend in 1976, renamed Silver Dollar City, and eventually Dolly Parton became a partner in 1986, and the park was renamed Dollywood. Engine 190 is a sister engine to 192 that operates at Dollywood, which also operated on the White Pass and Yukon route, which is nicknamed Klondike Katy. Today, Tweetsie owns all the machines and tooling for Crown Metal products which was a company that built the Kings Island and Miami Valley Railroad for Kings Island, among other amusement park railroads. Today, Tweetsie serves as a parts supplier for all Crown Metal Products engines operating across the country. Hey, Kate. Kate. Say hi. Are you having fun? You having fun?
Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time on the Cincy Coaster Couple. Bye.